Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. As you guys can see, I am all dolled up. Actually, it's a Shein haul, as you guys already know from the title. So I'm pretty excited today. Why I'm excited? The reason is, as I promised, we have a surprise guest in this video, and the guest is Tan Sunny.
How are you guys?
So today we both are making a Shein vlog, and this time Shein really pampered Sunny. They have sent a lot of clothes for this guy.
Yeah.
And we are pretty excited for that. So let's get started with the vlog.
Alright.
So the first thing which we got, actually which Sunny got, is this.
So this one is like a black tea. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Alright.
I think black t-shirt looks really good, and Sunny is actually killing this pose right now. The second thing which I got is this beautiful dress which you guys can see on the screen right now. This dress looks really cute, and I really love the sleeves as it has some elastic going on. That's why it is not at all bothering me. You guys know I hate the sleeves which bother me while doing work, so I really like it. So let's see the third outfit which we got, and that's from Sunny side.
Alright.
He's like very excited, guys.
Okay, so this is my favorite color. Perfect for summer.
And again, Sunny is just rocking this look, I guess. So the next outfit I got is such a beautiful t-shirt, you will say. This is a t-shirt or
It's a
top?
top.
I guess that's a top, sorry. That's definitely a top. And it is such a beautiful mustard color top. And I think you can rock this top with a pair of legging, jegging. Even you can pair this with a skirt and you are good to go. Perfect for summers. So the next shirt Sunny has got is this one.
Okay.
I'm telling you, he has got more clothes than me this time.
Okay.
I just love this one, Sunny.
Like denim shirt. You know, you like it?
I guess every girl also like a denim shirt. So this is the one which Sunny is rocking again, and I think it is absolute favorite for everyone, and every person should have this in their collection. Okay, so the next thing I got, you guys will love it. I'm sure you guys will definitely love it because I love that too. I'll show you in a bit. Tan-ta-dan! This
Good.
is the jumpsuit. You really like it, right?
Yeah,
So this
that's
is the
it, yes.
jumpsuit I got, and it is so beautiful. You guys can see it on your screen already. I just love the fit. It also comes with a belt, and I hope that you will also buy this. If you're interested, you should definitely check out the description box. So the next shirt Sunny has got is this one.
Okay, so this is my favorite one, you know?
Yeah, I guess
Really
this is
like it.
Yeah, I guess this is really pretty. I really like it. It is just giving such a nice spring vibe, and if your husbands are, you know, at home and are chilling, I think you should buy this one and, you know, give them. They will love it, I'm sure. So the next thing which I have got is this beautiful purse. I really
It's
like
very
the
nice.
color. Yeah,
It's
it's
very
so
nice.
pretty. It's like this, so there's just one compartment to put your stuff, whatever you like to, but I just really love it. I think my daughter will enjoy this a lot more than me, right? This is really cute. So the next outfit Sunny has got is this one.
So this one is also my favorite color. It's
Yeah.
nice fitted.
We both have a same shirt in this color
Yeah.
now, right? We
Yeah.
both have same one. I think very soon we'll pop a picture on our Instagram so that you guys can see. If you're not following, follow us right now. Last but certainly not the least, I have got these rings which are really pretty. It looks quite fashionable and it's really affordable. Also, I have got this beautiful earring. I just totally love it. Okay, don't look at me like that. I feel shy. These are really pretty. And also the shirt which he is wearing is also from Shein.
Oh, I totally forgot, sorry.
So this is the
Yeah.
haul from Shein, and I really hope that you guys liked it. If you like it, then please do give us a big,
Thumbs up.
and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. All the links will be in the down bar. Do let us know how do you like this vlog, and do let us know how do you like this guy modeling in this vlog. We shall see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.